Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang. This is a show where I... Oh, hi!
Hi.
How you doing? This is Mimi. Say hi, Mimi.
Hi.
So, I'm going to eat something really spicy today. This one is from South Korea. And this is Miles. And he just had his 6th birthday. Happy birthday, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I didn't have my birthday yet.
Yeah, not yet. This is King of Hell Spiciness.
How special.
Yeah, from South Korea. Okay, that's enough of that. But here it is, prepared and hot. There we are. And now it's time to have the obligatory sip of beverage, because unless I have that, I could get the hiccups, and I don't want to get the hiccups when I'm eating a big bowl of hot, spicy noodles. About 10 minutes ago, I had a few chugs of probiotic yogurt drink, and I should be good to go.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Anyways.
Anyway. Well, I need some child help. Can you guys give me a really loud ready, set, go, and then get lost?
Okay.
Yeah?
Ready, set, go.
Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Ready, set, go.
So the only thing I added to this was a little bit of green onion. And definitely that's not going to do anything to this. Okay, so it is spicy. This one's still pretty darn hot. What's a bummer is there's a lot of broth here. The dry ones are hard too, but the dry ones at least they don't have all the broth. So the claim is that this is 21,000 Scully heat unit. No way. Sorry, I call BS on that. Because if the 3X spicy Samyang is 12 or 13,000, this doesn't even come close to the heat level. Not even. Boring. Well, if you're bored, you can have some of this broth. That'll change your day. You want some spicy? You're all right, huh?
I can't.
No, I wouldn't let either of you guys try it. It's too spicy.
It's too spicy.
Man. I gotta blow my nose. Yeah. Oh. Oh, nasty. I just blew a hole into there. Wow. Oh, I need to do it again. Woo. Don't worry, I'm gonna finish it. Oh. All right. Almost there. Hey! Miles is giving me crap.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we go. Zip it! This is business. Oh man, this is a rough one. I haven't done a mukbang in a little while. The last one I did wasn't this hot. This is pretty darn hot. And the peanut gallery is not helping. You might as well just grab the fart gun and start pushing buttons on that. But stay away. I'm gonna rip, Mimi. Done.
What do you mean when you're done?
I do good?
Yeah.
I do good, Maya?
Yeah.
Well, it's hot. It's definitely not for the inexperienced mukbang person. Yeah, thanks to the Fat Hipster for shooting this over. This was, not only was it really spicy, but it was really tasty. So, yeah. Hey, put that away. Come here, you. Come here. All right, well, this has been Hans, and this has been
Maya.
And this has been
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.